Welcome to the Daily Quiz Podcast. Today's category is Science and Nature. Let's get to it. Question 1. Which is the largest land carnivore? Is it A. Polar bear, B. Grizzly bear, C. Panda bear, or D. Black bear? The answer is A. Polar bear.
The polar bear, the largest land carnivore, can weigh up to 1,500 pounds and measure over 10 feet in length. Despite their massive size, these Arctic giants are excellent swimmers, capable of covering distances over 60 miles without rest. Their fur is actually transparent and reflects light, giving them their iconic white appearance.
Question 2. What is the word for male weasel? Is it A. ram, B. a stallion, C. a rooster, or D. a buck? The answer is D. a buck.
In the world of weasels, a male is charmingly called a buck. These agile creatures are known for their playful antics and cunning hunting skills. Interestingly, despite their small size, weasels have an incredibly high metabolism, requiring them to eat up to 40% of their body weight daily.
Question 3. What is the largest mammal in the world? Is it A. the blue whale, B. the giraffe, C. the elephant, or D. the hippopotamus? The answer is A. the blue whale.
The blue whale, the largest mammal on Earth, can weigh as much as 33 elephants combined. Its heart alone is the size of a small car and beats so powerfully that it can be heard from over 2 miles away. Despite its massive size, it feeds primarily on tiny krill.
Question 4. What is the word for a group of swifts? Is it A. a brood, B. a skulk, C. a down, or D. a flock? The answer is D. a flock.
A group of swifts is called a flock, but these aerial acrobats are anything but ordinary. Swifts can stay airborne for up to 10 months without landing, eating, and even sleeping on the wing. Their synchronized flight patterns create mesmerizing displays, turning the sky into a dynamic dance floor.
Question 5. How many bits in a byte? Is it A. 8, B. 4, C. 2, or D. 10? The answer is A. 8.
In the world of computing, a byte consists of 8 bits, forming the basic unit of data storage. This octet can represent 256 different values, from 0 to 255. The choice of 8 bits is no accident. It strikes a perfect balance between efficiency and complexity in digital systems.
Question 6. What type of plague was the Black Death? Is it A. bubonic, B. septicemic, C. pneumonic, or D. laryngeal? The answer is A. bubonic.
The Black Death, a bubonic plague pandemic in the 14th century, wiped out an estimated 25 to 30 million people in Europe. Spread by fleas on rats, it led to bizarre cures like bathing in rosewater and vinegar or carrying sweet-smelling herbs to ward off the bad air believed to cause the disease.
Question 7. In 1954, the Salk vaccine was introduced, a vaccine which effectively wiped out which devastating disease? Is it A. smallpox, B. malaria, C. coronavirus, or D. polio? The answer is D. Polio.
In 1954, the Salk vaccine emerged as a medical marvel, targeting polio, a disease that once paralyzed thousands annually. Before its introduction, polio was so feared that public pools and movie theaters were often closed during outbreaks. Jonas Salk became a national hero for his groundbreaking work in eradicating this crippling menace.
Question 8. What is Grossology the study of? Is it A. Earthquakes, B. Plant nutrition, C. Crayfish, or D. Disgusting things? The answer is D. Disgusting things.
Grossology, a term popularized by Sylvia Branziai's book series, delves into the science of all things icky, like mucus, farts, and body odors. It transforms the revolting into riveting by exploring why our bodies produce such substances and how they play crucial roles in health and survival.
Question 9. What was the nationality of the mathematician Joseph Fourier? Is it A. Canadian, B. Belgian, C. Swiss, or D. French? The answer is D. French.
Joseph Fourier, a French mathematician, is renowned for his groundbreaking work in heat transfer and vibrations. His development of Fourier series revolutionized mathematical analysis by allowing complex waveforms to be expressed as sums of simple sine and cosine functions. This concept is pivotal in fields ranging from signal processing to quantum mechanics today.
Thanks for joining our science and nature quiz. We hope you had a blast, like a big bang, and found it all quite illuminating. Until next time, stay curious. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until we meet again tomorrow, have a great rest of your day or night.
This episode is produced by Classic Studios. See the show notes page for sources and credits. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.